Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Clearbit Enrichment with HubSpot or Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Clearbit Enrichment with HubSpot or Salesforce, begin by logging into your Clearbit account. Navigate to the Integrations section within your Clearbit dashboard. Select either HubSpot or Salesforce based on your preference. For HubSpot, click on the HubSpot integration option. You will be prompted to connect your HubSpot account. Authorize Clearbit to access your HubSpot data by clicking the Allow button. Once connected, configure your enrichment settings according to your needs. You can choose which fields to enrich or update within HubSpot. Next, save your settings to finalize the integration. If you prefer Salesforce, return to the Integrations section and select the Salesforce option. Similar to HubSpot, you will need to connect your Salesforce account. Authorize Clearbit to access your Salesforce data. Once connected, configure your enrichment settings for Salesforce. Decide which fields to enrich or update, just as you did with HubSpot. After adjusting your settings, save them to complete the integration. To test the integration, navigate to a record within HubSpot or Salesforce. Initiate the enrichment process on that record to ensure the integration is working properly. Monitor the results and verify if the information has been updated as expected. If you encounter any issues, revisit your settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. With the integration complete, Clearbit will now enrich your leads and contacts automatically. This will enhance your sales and marketing efforts significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.